Today, I'll show you how to instantly build a Databricks app using the Visual Data App Builder. Here's the main canvas for our app, which outlines the different pages we have. We will be making a shipment inspection app for manufacturing. We can click into the first page and start describing the app we want to the AI Builder. Here's our prompt. Create a manufacturing shipment inspection app that allows inspectors to complete an inspection form with fields for shipment ID, supplier name, inspection date, defect category, and inspection notes. On submission, save the form data to the shipment inspection delta table. Inspectors should also be able to upload photos or documents, such as defect images or packing slips, to the inspection data volume. Include a button that opens a modal displaying recent inspection submissions from the shipment inspection table. The AI gets to work immediately. The builder is translating our natural language prompt into a fully structured app design in real time. VDAB works on a visual canvas model. There are two core building blocks: components, which are the UI elements your users interact with, and workflows, which contain the event and action logic to connect everything together. All that is configured visually. No coding is required. Now that the AI has generated our initial layout, let's review what it built. On this page, we have an inspection form, we have the document upload area, and we have a button to open the modal to view our data. Here we can see the connection between the main page and the modal. And in the workflow editor, we can see the actions and events that were created. Once everything looks good, we can go ahead and deploy the app. And here's the app, fully live in just a couple of minutes. We have our form, we have the document upload area, and we have the button that we can click to view recent submissions.